What's your name?
Stacy.
Your whole name.
Stacy.
Your whole name. What's your full name?
I don't know.
All three of them.
Stacy.
Okay, how old are you?
3.
You're 3? And what do you like to do in the morning?
The school.
School? What do you do in school?
Homeschool.
What do you do there?
Color.
What do you color on numbers?
Now count. And color with markers and crowns.
And crowns?
Nice shape.
Yeah. Is that right? Yeah, what else do you like to do?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Like game. A second game with a princess.
No doubt.
Yes.
What are you watching right now?
Pumbaa.
Timon and Pumbaa?
Yes.
Yeah? Why aren't you playing, like, video games or something? Like, huh? Do you wanna?
No.
No? You wanna watch Timon and Pumbaa?
Yes.
Timon and Pumbaa.
Take a picture now.
I already took a picture of you.
Take the other one.
No.
Yes.
No. I'm recording you instead.
Mommy.
No, I can't let you see yet. I'm recording you. You gotta do something for me. Yeah.
Nope.
Yep.
Nope.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, you do. You gotta go push. Oh, look at that face. So what do you do? Does doggy sit for a biscuit? Doggy go woof for a biscuit? Bark, doggy. Bark, doggy, bark. Woof. Bark, doggy. Hey, who said that you could, like, just sit there, Cecilia? What if, you're just not allowed to, huh? Why are you watching this? Because of what? Why? What does that smell like? It's a little dirty. Smell like stinky feet. Good. Let's really do something for the picture. You're not? You just want to watch TV now? Huh? Really?